Well, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'm actually gonna do my Ipsy unboxing, but I also got like a super huge surprise for you guys. Stay tuned for the video. Trust me, you're not gonna want to miss what's at the end of the video. So today I got my Ipsy. I have no idea why the hell it took so long. Okay, so I'm kind of upset that it took this long to actually get it. Like, I usually get it towards the beginning of the month, and for some reason I got it like really late. Like, this video is gonna be up today, so it is like really late. But anyway, right here I have Timeless Beauty Bar. So this one is called Up in the Clouds, and basically it says here it's a hydrating and refreshing face mask. And then right here I have the Timeless Beauty, and this one is called Glam and Glow, and this is for brightening and revitalizing, which I think the brightening masks are definitely my favorite. But now let's move on to the actual bag. So this is the bag for November. I don't quite understand it. Guys, please excuse my nails. I know they're ratchet. I need to get them done, but I haven't been able to do anything for myself lately. I don't understand the concept of what this has to do with the month of November. But again, it is a pretty bag. It is, I'm guessing bluish, purple, violet, I don't know, with little hearts all over it. And let's open up, see what we got inside. So here is a postcard, and it says, Happy Friendsgiving. Say what you're thankful for in 5 emojis and go. And then it's funny because it's like a little conversation, and then on the bottom says, there's no emoji for highlighter. So that's funny. What am I thankful for? I'm thankful for my children. I'm thankful for my house, that I have a place to live, you know, a roof over my head. I'm thankful for my family and all the love I've been getting recently. So yeah. What are you guys thankful for? Go ahead and leave down in the comments below what you guys are thankful for. I want to know what you guys are thankful for too. So yeah, pretty much, you know, that is a postcard for this month. So here I have a Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. I really like blushes from Tarte, and this is called Quirky. This is a very pretty coral color. Like, I could definitely see myself wearing this. So pretty happy that was in my bag. Hell yeah. Let's see what else I got in here. So I have it's called a Phyto Pigments Illuminating Primer from Juice Beauty. And I don't know. I wonder what it feels like. I'm gonna try it on my hand. So it is very hydrating, and I can definitely see the illuminating effect. You guys can see that glow right there. So I can't wait to give this a try, and you know what? If I like it, I might buy it, because you know me, I love my hydrating primers, and I'm always looking for something better. This is from Pixi by Petra. I absolutely love Pixi by Petra, because not only is it affordable, like you can find it in the drugstore pretty much anywhere, and you know, it's really good quality. Now I'm not sure what this is, if this is a lip gloss or an eyeshadow, but I'm gonna open it and check it out. So this is definitely a lip gloss, and you know what? It's like really minty. I don't even have a mirror next to me, so I'm doing this using my screen. It's very minty. So I really like the color. I'm a really big fan of lip glosses. And basically this is in the color Honey Sheen, but it feels minty on the lips. I like that feeling, I'm not gonna lie. Now, I think the last thing in here is something that when I saw, made me laugh. And it is so this is from who the hell is this from? Extraordinary. So this is from, I could never say this name. I think it's Ciate London. Ciate. Ciate London. And this is pretty much just a sample of their translucent powder. It's really cute and tidy. Like, this is super adorable, I'm not gonna lie. So it's 1.5 grams, and it is their translucent setting powder. So I can't wait to give this a try. I mean, looking on the inside, it is really, really white. I have no idea how the hell I'm gonna stick my finger in there to take that sticker out, but this is adorable. And I guess when I'm finished, I could definitely use the container to make like a little lip gloss or something and pop it in my purse, or like a lip balm or something. Cause you know, I'm for like DIY, which I suck at DIYs. I'm not good at DIYs. Now, for the big surprise that I have for you guys. So, I went to Ulta. Had to go to like a couple of Ultas. And they were far as hell away. Because I noticed that these little babies that I have inside of here were sold out in a lot of places, including online. And I know a lot of you guys wanted to get your hands on it and you couldn't. So therefore, I bought 4 of them. 4 James Charles palettes, because you know what? I absolutely loved my palette and I want to share with you guys the love of makeup that I have. Right here, I have 4 of them. See? 4. And I will be, I guess, randomly choosing 4 people who might be interested in winning this. The rules are pretty simple. I posted, you know, on Instagram, another way that you can win. If you do follow me on Instagram, you have an entry over there as well. I will be picking 2 people from YouTube and 2 people from Instagram. So if you follow me on both, you know, your chances are higher. And so number 1, you should be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, go ahead and hit the like button and share on this video. Number 3, give me a comment down below, you know, with a way that I can contact you if you are the winner. Let me know what you're thankful for, the question that I asked you. And I don't know, did I mention share the video? Please share the video. But yeah, the rules are pretty simple. I mean, I'm not sure when I'm gonna end the giveaway yet, but one thing that I did want to make clear is when I do giveaways, I pretty much, you know, mention the winner on like a little comment on the video. Also, I mention it on my stories and Instagram. But if you're the winner, you're definitely gonna be contacted, whether it's through email or any social media network that you decided to leave down below. But that is pretty much what I decided to get you guys for Christmas, because I mean, not everybody celebrates Christmas, but winter is actually one of my favorite holidays of the year. You know, it's like when people are the most happiest. I mean, this is Miami, nobody's happy. Like, let's just be honest, everybody just hates people in Miami for some reason. I don't know why. Me, on the other hand, I'm not. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I do all sorts of videos, unboxings, hauls. I'm gonna try to be a little different with my videos, you know, maybe post some vlogs or some challenges or some weird shit, who knows. But stay tuned. Bye bye, guys, till next time.